Hey, future millionaires, just graduated? Or maybe you're just navigating those wild, confusing 20s. Awesome, because this is the decade that will decide if you're sipping pina coladas on a beach at 40 or stressing over every single bill. Yep, your 20s aren't just for dating apps and avocado toast. They're your financial launch pad. Ignore these 5 smart moves and trust me, your future self will not thank you. Stick around because we're about to turn your financial quicksand into a gold mine.
All right, number 1, invest in yourself. And no, I'm not talking about another degree you don't need or an expensive car. I'm talking about skills. Think about it. What problem can you solve for others? Can you code, design, write, sell? This is where your side hustle comes in. Instead of buying the latest gadget, buy that online course, get that photography gear, start that small e-commerce site. In your 20s, you have something incredibly valuable: time and fewer responsibilities. Take risks now. If it fails, who cares? You learn, you grow, you level up. And if it works, boom, you've just created a new income stream, one your 9-to-5 probably won't ever give you. Ever thought about what skill you could turn into cash? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you're enjoying these Stickman secrets, smash that like button and subscribe. We've got some serious game-changing moves coming up. Move number 2 is all about making your money work harder than you do. We're talking about index funds, specifically through a Roth IRA. Sounds boring, right? Wrong. This is financial magic. Imagine investing just $200 a month starting at age 22. By retirement, you could easily end up with over $1 million. Now here's the painful part. If you wait just 10 years and start at 32, that same $200 a month might only grow to around $700,000. That's a $300,000 waiting tax. This isn't about picking winning stocks or timing the market. It's about owning the entire market and letting compound interest do the heavy lifting. The earlier you start, the richer you become, almost automatically. It's not luck, it's math. Next up, this one sounds wild, but it's a total game changer. House hacking. Forget renting forever or buying a massive house you can barely afford. In your 20s, consider buying a duplex, triplex, or even a house with extra rooms. You live in one part, you rent out the rest. Guess what happens? Your tenants help pay your mortgage. This isn't just about saving on rent, it's about building equity, using leverage responsibly, and getting into real estate years before most people even think about it. Imagine being in your early 30s with serious home equity, maybe even living rent-free. That's how you fast-track financial independence. Are you surprised by how powerful house hacking can be? Let me know if you've ever considered it. And if this is giving you some aha moments, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Here's a tough pill to swallow, but it's critical. Smart transportation. I get it. Shiny new cars are tempting, but that $500 or $600 monthly car payment, that's not just money gone, that's wealth gone. If you invested that same $500 every month at just 8% for 30 years, you'd end up with over $600,000. So instead of financing a depreciating asset, buy a reliable 3 to 5-year-old car, a Honda, a Toyota, something dependable. Pay cash if you can, or take a very short, low-interest loan. Your car's job is to get you from point A to point B. It's not a status symbol. Your bank account is your real status symbol.
Finally, and this might be the most important move of all, invest in your health. This isn't just about looking good, it's about energy, clarity, and longevity. Eating well, sleeping properly, exercising consistently. These aren't expenses, they're investments. If you're constantly tired, sick, or burned out, how are you supposed to manage a side hustle? How do you make smart financial decisions? Poor health in your 20s creates massive opportunity costs in your 30s and 40s. Doctor bills, missed work, low focus. Your body is the ultimate vehicle for wealth creation and enjoyment. Treat it like a Ferrari, not a beat-up rental. So, let's recap. 5 smart moves in your 20s that set you up for serious wealth later. Invest in skills and side hustles.
Conquer compound interest with index funds. House hack your way into real estate. Drive smart with reliable transportation, and invest in your health. These aren't just purchases, they're habits. It might mean saying no to some short-term fun, but your future self sipping that piña colada will absolutely thank you. Start today, even if it's just one small step. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more actionable financial advice. What's the first move you're going to implement? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and here's to your wealthy future.